Hey, how you doing, Facebook? Hey, this is Twan, aka Yahoo Shalom, aka MMA of Credit, MMA of Real Estate. I got an update for you. I have a client that I have did her situation. I'm just gonna show you basic stuff. I'm not gonna show you who she is and nothing like that. Okay, so let me see something real quick here. If I click on, let me see. Okay, let me turn this over. Okay. When I first did her credit, right, as you can see, her credit score was 547, 555, 547. Okay. She has some identity theft issues that have been removed. So what happened is now she don't have an Equifax score, but I'm gonna get that right for her. But now it went up too. See, it's five. See, that's from 550 to 593, and see 547 to 574. You see how I went up? And I do credit repair. This is what I do. You see, she has 13 derogatories that have been removed. You see that? That was the first round. Okay. So you see how her credit has improved. So now I want y'all to understand, I do this for real. So I don't want to see y'all think I playing games for here. So get your credit repaired, and get the credit education that I give you. This is Yahoo Shalom, aka Twine. My number is 407-947-0402. Give me a call. Also, buy and sell real estate. If you have property that you're trying to get rid of, or need repairs, or you're in foreclosure, I get you out of situations. If you finna lose your home, I can get you out of foreclosure. Okay, I might not be able to save your home, but I'll be able to save your credit and be able to try to give you something so you can get out of it. But I can get you out of the situation. Just give me a chance. This is AKA Yahoo Shalom, AKA MMA of Credit, AKA MMA of Real Estate. Have a great day. Shalom.